Hey folks, Brian Emmerich here, Director of Residential Life. We're going to take a quick tour of one of our brand new rooms in Smith Hall West. So this is a pretty typical room, pretty standard here for Smith West. All of our rooms are roughly this size and we'll have all the same furniture you're going to see now. Just to my left and right here are two desks, one for each person. It's a 3-drawer desk and a pencil drawer as well. And a nice chair that leans back and is very comfortable. Some armoire closets for you to hang your clothes in. There's 2 drawers for clothes down below. We have an additional set of drawers that can fit underneath your bed. You can also move that anywhere you'd like. We've positioned it under the bed here, but once you get to your room, you're welcome to move things around as you see fit. Brand new beds with a soft and firm side of each mattress, which is nice. We're going to take a look at the brand new bathrooms in Smith Hall West. So please come on in. What you'll see here are our community sinks. While we have community sinks, we have private bathrooms and private showers, private toilets and private showers for everyone to use. So just to my right here, you'll see an ADA accessible restroom that's complete with a shower, a toilet and a sink. We have 2 of those in this bathroom, another one right here. And on the other side of the bathroom, we have individual shower stalls and individual toilet stalls. So private rooms, lots of privacy. We are very excited about the Smith West project. There's a lot that you've seen that's finished and ready to go for our new students here in fall of 2020. But there's a lot of work that's still to be done. Coming up very soon, within the next few weeks and within the next month, we're completing work on our main lobby, which will include a late night desk, our 24/7 dining hall called Smith Dining. And of course, there's ongoing work in Smith East throughout the next 12 months. And by August 1st, 2021, Smith East will be complete. And we're adding a brand new workout facility in that space and a game room where people can sit down and play video games and socialize with people online and in person. There's a lot that this community is bringing all together into one place for our first year students, and we're really excited about what it's going to do for our first year experience.